National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Audrain County, northeastern Callaway County until 7:30 a.m. At 6:38 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail. This storm was located 7 miles south of Centralia and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mexico, Havas, Shamrock, Martinsburg, Thompson, Hatton, Van Iver, and Benton City. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in St. Louis. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Audrain and Callaway,